Welcome to the channel. Today, we're showcasing the 4 best gaming mini PC for 2025. These powerful compact machines are designed to deliver exceptional gaming performance without taking up much space. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 4. MINISFORUM M1 Mini PC. The MINISFORUM M1 is powered by the latest Intel Core i9 13900H processor featuring 14 cores and 20 threads, delivering an impressive processing speed of up to 5.4 GHz. This means exceptional performance for even the most demanding tasks like high-performance gaming, 3D rendering, and video editing. Paired with Intel Iris X graphics, you'll experience smooth visuals and fast rendering. The MS1 comes with 32 GB of DDR5 random access memory, making multitasking easier than ever. Whether you're running multiple applications, working with large files, or streaming, this mini PC ensures everything runs smoothly without slowdowns. When it comes to storage, the MINISFORUM MS1 doesn't disappoint. It includes a 1TB CA4.0 solid-state drive, allowing for lightning-fast boot times and quick access to your files. And if you need even more storage, the MS1 has additional M.2 slots for future upgrades, ensuring your system can grow with your needs. For network connectivity, the MS1 is equipped with dual 2.5 gigabit per second RJ45 Ethernet ports for stable wired connections, perfect for gaming or business use. Plus, you get dual 10 gigabit per second SFP Plus network ports, which provide ultra-fast internet speeds of up to 65 gigabits per second, making it perfect for connecting to high-speed networks, storage, or servers. For video output, the MINISFORUM MS1 offers 2 USB 4 ports that support 8K at 30 Hz or 4K at 144 Hz. This allows you to connect up to 3 displays simultaneously, ideal for digital signage, securities trading, CAD work, or video production. Number 3. Morefine Gaming Mini PC. The Morefine Gaming Mini Personal Computer is powered by either the AMD Ryzen 9 8945HS processor or the AMD Ryzen 5 8645HS processor, both of which offer impressive multi-core performance. This makes the device perfect for demanding applications such as gaming, video editing, and productivity tasks. The AMD Ryzen 9 version takes things a step further, providing top-tier performance to handle even the most resource-intensive applications with ease. For graphics, the Morefine Gaming Mini is equipped with AMD Radeon integrated graphics, offering excellent gaming performance and smooth video rendering, even for modern titles. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or working on creative projects, you'll experience exceptional visual clarity and smooth gameplay. When it comes to memory, this mini PC is equipped with 2 SOD IMM DDR5 slots that support up to 64 GB of 5600 MHz memory. This ample memory capacity allows for seamless multitasking, smooth gaming experiences, and efficient workflows, ensuring you can run multiple applications or games without any lag or slowdowns. For storage, the Morefine Gaming Mini provides 2 2280 CA4.0 slots, allowing you to install ultra-fast solid-state drives. Additionally, there is room for a traditional 2.5-inch hard drive or solid-state drive, offering even more space for your files, games, and applications. For network connectivity, this mini PC comes with dual 2.5 gigabit RJ45 Ethernet ports, ensuring ultra-fast and stable wired connections for lag-free gaming and seamless online experiences. It also supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, allowing for faster wireless data transfer and enhanced connectivity with devices. Number 2. Eglobal F10 Mini PC. At the heart of the Eglobal F10 Mini personal computer, you will find the Intel Core i9-12900H or Intel Core i7-12700H processors. These processors feature 8 cores and 16 threads, delivering clock speeds of up to 5.0 GHz. This makes them ideal for handling demanding tasks like gaming, video editing, and content creation, ensuring smooth and responsive performance, even with intensive applications. The Eglobal F10 is paired with the NVIDIA RTX 3050 graphics card, providing exceptional graphical performance. Whether you're playing the latest games or working with 3D rendering and video editing software, this combination ensures you get smooth, high-quality visuals without lag. When it comes to memory, the Eglobal F10 Mini personal computer is equipped with 2 DDR4 SODIMM slots that support up to 64 GB of high-speed memory running at 3200 MHz. This ample memory capacity makes multitasking seamless, allowing you to run multiple programs and applications simultaneously without slowdowns. For storage, the Eglobal F10 offers 2 M.2 NVMe PCA 4.0 slots, providing lightning-fast read and write speeds. Additionally, there is space for a traditional 2.5-inch hard drive or solid-state drive, giving you up to 4 terabytes of storage. Whether you're saving large files, games, or projects, you will never run out of space. The Eglobal F10 Mini personal computer has Wi-Fi 6, also known as 802.11ax, which supports transmission speeds of up to 9.6 gigabits per second, making it about 2.5 times faster than the previous generation. It also features Bluetooth 5.2 for quick and easy device pairing. The Eglobal F10 Mini personal computer is a compact, high-performance device perfect for gamers, content creators, and professionals who need top-tier performance in a small package. Number 1. Chatreey Tank Mini PC. The Chatreey Tank Mini PC is powered by the latest Intel Core i7-12700H processor, part of Intel's 12th generation lineup. This processor features 14 cores and 20 threads, providing a base frequency of 2.3 GHz and a turbo boost of up to 4.7 GHz. With a 20% improvement in performance over previous generations, you can expect smoother multitasking, faster processing, and lower latency when handling demanding applications. For gaming and graphics, this mini PC is equipped with a dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 graphics card. With 12 GB of GDDR6 memory, the RTX 3060 allows for real-time ray tracing and AI-enhanced graphics, providing ultra-realistic gaming visuals and immersive experiences. Whether you are playing the latest games, rendering 3D models, or working with high-definition content, the RTX 3060 ensures smooth performance. The Chatreey Tank Mini personal computer comes with 16 GB of DDR5 memory running at 4800 MHz. This is 50% faster than DDR4 memory, allowing for faster data processing and multitasking. If you need more memory, the system is expandable to up to 64 GB, giving you the flexibility to handle even the most demanding workflows. This device features a 1 TB M.2 3.0 solid-state drive, ensuring fast boot times and quick access to your files. One of the standout features of this mini PC is its ability to support up to 4 displays, with dual HDMI 2.0 Type-C and DisplayPort 1.4 interfaces. You can connect multiple monitors and enjoy stunning visuals with up to 8K resolution at 60 Hz. The Chatreey Tank Mini Personal Computer is an excellent choice for those looking for high performance in a compact form factor. And there you have it, 4 best gaming mini personal computers for 2025. Whether you're into high-end gaming, content creation, or just need a powerful system in a small form factor, these Mini Cs have you covered. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for more details on these incredible devices. Thanks for watching.